Leprosy is a disease that affects the skin and nerves, causing the skin to be discolored and sometimes making it deformed. In severe cases, some people lose feeling in their limbs, making the doctor have to cut them off because it's more dangerous for the person if they're on. Other side effects of leprosy are skin sores, weakness of the muscles, and damage of the nerves. Deformities in the nose are most common in people with leprosy. Leprosy is also called the Hansen's disease. Leprosy has been around since 600 BC, but the first known identification was in 1873 by a doctor named G.H. Hansen. The first effective treatment was discovered in the 1940s. This medicine was called Promin. Leprosy is spread by the contact of another person's bodily fluids, such as sneezing or coughing. Symptoms of leprosy may not appear for as long as 20 years. 95% of people are actually immune to leprosy.
Scurvy is caused by the lack of vitamin C. Symptoms include tiredness, pain in arms and legs, swelling, bleeding, and teeth loss. Scurvy is fatal if not treated. The body cannot synthesize vitamin C and needs it from external sources. Vitamin C produces collagen, which is important for the production of connective tissue. The cure for scurvy was well known back in the Middle Ages. Treatment included eating citrus fruits such as lemons and oranges. After treatment, there are no known long-term effects except for damaged dental health.
The Bedlam Asylum was located in London for people with learning disabilities, epileptic, schizophrenic. People looked at mental illnesses in fear. People believed that the only cure was through suffering and strange rituals. The rush chair was used in the Bedlam Asylum. A patient would be placed in a chair suspended from the ceiling and spun at the direction of the doctor, sometimes 100 rotations a minute. The Rush chair was created by Dr. Benjamin Rush, the father of American psychiatry. The tranquilizing chair was used to control blood towards the brain by lessening muscular action or reducing motor activity. Dr. Benjamin Rush also created the tranquilizing chair, believed that madness was an arterial disease and inflammation of the brain. The crib was a cruel and unusual way by strapping a mentally insane person in a crib.
Tuberculosis affects mainly the lungs and is spread from person to person through sneezes and coughs. Symptoms include coughing, chest pain, fatigue, fever, night sweats, chills, loss of appetite, and coughing up blood. The first actual treatment of tuberculosis was in 1951 when doctors used an antibiotic. In the Middle Ages, they would use the royal touch, bloodletting, or they were told to eat healthy and exercise, but very few recovered. Many people believed that tuberculosis would be cured with a touch of royalty. With this belief, many people would go to kings and queens to be touched because it was believed God gave them the power to heal. In the Middle Ages, it was called the White Plague because of how pale the patients got, and many scientists believe that tuberculosis has been around for more than 3 million years.